In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Passat key fob. The whole process will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. It's very easy to do at home. All you'll need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around or you're unsure of where to find one, go check out the first link down there in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. The first step to opening this thing up is finding this opening here on the side. You can see that slot right there. Take your flathead, insert it in, twist, which will push apart the two halves here. You can just carefully open this up because the circuit board is loose and it can fall out. So you just want to gently remove it and be very careful when handling that. And now using the same flathead screwdriver, I'm just going to come in on the side right here and gently and carefully lift the battery up and out of place. Now, grab your new CR2032. When you're putting it in, make sure that this positive side that has the text and the plus sign on it is facing down, and you'll just click that into place, positive side down, just like that. I do want to show you though, because this metal component is pretty loose. Once you take the battery out, it is can just fall out on you. So I'm going to show you how to put that back in. What you want to do is position it so these prongs are facing up, and you're just going to drop that in. You can see there's actually an outline. You see that L shape, and there's that little plastic peg right there. You're just going to drop that on so the peg goes in the hole of this little L, prongs facing up, and it just sits in there loose. And then you put your battery on top, snap it into place, and now it is all securely in there. And once you've done that, you just want to put this back together. So carefully pick up the circuit board, find the circuit on the back. You can, the circle on the back that's going to go right on top of the battery. Set that on there carefully, put the top right on there and squeeze it all back together. And that's pretty much it. You've got a new battery in there now that should last you for a very long time. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was easy enough to follow along. And if you liked it, feel free to give the video a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.